All right, family. Yeah, so I wanted to send this one out because, yeah, we just got back from Hawaii. It's a long trip, great trip. Had a good time. Um, but I wanted to say something about YouTube and what's going on in Jamaica. So there's a lot of YouTubers out there right now that's doing some great stuff in Jamaica. And, you know, part of it is what I love is because they're exposing what Jamaica's culture is about. And, you know, I reached out to one of the content providers, what's his name, Junior Lifestyle Efficient. So me and Junior talked, you know, I asked him what he needed, what I could support his channel with, and, you know, I went out and got some stuff for him. But he's not the only one, you know. He, you know, Colors, Miss Lickle, Hidden Beauty TV, you know, all of Colors people, Poppy, Socks, you know, everybody that's out there doing this good content. I love what's going on in Jamaica. Positive vibes, you know, everybody is providing good content and exposing Jamaica for the true culture of Jamaica, which is the food, you know, the country life, like all that stuff that you don't see on the tourist, you know, when they advertise Jamaica on the tourist sites, you know. So that kind of encouraged me to do my channel, you know, as a Jamaican living abroad, and, you know, let people know that we don't lose with we don't lose with Jamaican culture, you know. We still do things up here where people are doing. Yeah, we don't have the country lifestyle as you see in those contents, but we still live, you know, the good lifestyle we learn how we grew up with. So I want to big up all the YouTubers in Jamaica that's doing the positive things, you know. Let other young Jamaicans out there know that there's, you know, positivity and things you can do to make Jamaica, you know, be shown in a great light. You know, there's a lot of negativity out there where how Jamaica is being portrayed right now. So just understand that what you guys are doing is a really good thing, and, you know, keep doing what you're doing. So as I'm say, stay tuned. I got some things that I'm gonna be sending down, and for, you know, all the other YouTubers out there, you know, if you need support, I'm not rich, but I will, you know, try to provide things that you guys need, that will help your endeavors or your channel get better, and make your content even better. So as I'm say, big up on yourself. You know, Junior, Sharpman, DNG, you know, Miss Lickle, Colors, you know, Hidden Beauty, Foul, yeah, everybody big up on yourself. Stay tuned. Yeah, we have some things to ship out, and, you know, show love for what's going on in Jamaica. So stay tuned, yeah, and see what's going on. Alright? Alright, Junior. So we're gonna do a little shopping today. Pick up some more things, you know. So then thing I don't have a ship out tomorrow. So these are going to my virgin, and then these are for you. So first thing, this is a so the folding knife, and I tell you, is a folding saw. Right? So I'm gonna go with the cut fire stick. Yeah, yeah man. Now if you swing machete or not them thing, you know. I tell you the thing, yeah? Yeah man, you saw through any size tree. You can cut down a big tree with this in here. So you just click it this side and just fold it back down. See? Look at the saw. So, whoever you want to make carry this. Actually, you know, huh? I'm going to put the thing in pan it in a drone, but just because you name the pan it, that means I feel alone. Alright, auntie. Alright, so whoever you want to carry that one, yeah? Go carry that one, yeah. Look at this saw. couldn't find the exact size throw net where you want. I find a 3/8, and this is one of a 10-inch radius. Alright? So it's a casting net. Alright, so I buy some things that never on the list still, so we think we're gonna need. So I buy some two-way radio now. Right? Buy 4 of them. So you know normally I use Sharpman DNG out in the bush. So when you can communicate without having to go up on the radio, because you know I go up on the phone, because remember the time you catch the guy, you call him on the phone and not answer. You see what I say? So and I believe it have it have a headphone function where you can just put in your headphone, so if you don't want to make the noise out in the bush, you can attach a headphone to it. So it's up to you. You can give one to Steph and you DNG and Sharp and one. Alright? So that's going in the box. Then we have to get into some treble hook. Different size treble hook. Right? You can always send more later if you want different sizes. I'm getting a couple different sizes still, but some treble hook that I throw in the box here. And then I buy some of the circle hook them for the top and them and then I fish for top and you can have them there. You know? And they go in the box. Alright. So then that's a 3 flashlight. Not sure if you can dive with them, but at least when you're not in the bush, you have some flashlight. Them use what them use? AAA battery. 3 AAA battery. Alright? So one for you, DNG and Sharpman. 3 different colors so we can mix them up. Okay? Alright. So then we have this. So I 3 knife them now. 3 diving knife them. So mark them. 1 for you, 1 for DNG and 1 for Sharpman. All of them are the same. So that's going in the box. Alright, so then as I said, this is a night vision. Alright, you can use it in a color too, so you know if you just read the manual and figure out how to use that. It's pretty simple stuff once you plug it in. You know. But you can take picture, you can take video, all them things. And the way the thing is set up is that you have to look through yourself. Not the front two thing then, but that, again you can just read the manual for that. And then you know so Stephanie control the seasoning. So I put some crab seasoning in there. You can use it for seafood still. Good seafood. You know, so Maryland have some of my best seafood seasoning. And then but we make sure we put Steph's name on it so she can claim it. And then I have one pork and rib rub here, so you can taste that and let me know how it tastes. Never use it yet still, but I usually have some good stuff, you know. So that's another box, Alright. And then now one more thing I'm gonna ship out. As a matter of fact, I have 3 I have 3 and 3 bag you can use when time you go. When you go diving for the fish, yeah, a 3 net bag. So I say, you can put your fish in it, and you can tie it off to yourself. So you just drop the fish in it and you can see through, so it make the bag a little lighter, you know. So when I shoot fish now, you can just have this spawner. So I know what kind of bag I use right now, but I feel like this is gonna be a little lighter than I want to have right now. So we have 1 for you, 1 for DNG, and 1 for Sharpman. And then the last thing I have now going on this shipment is the notice in time we look on the water and fish for top and more time when I lose them still. So we don't have to drag them all the way to the shore. So we get in a net. And that one is adjustable, so you can, it's easy to carry like this. And you just pop it out like that and it lock out. So what I say? So in time when you have fish to scoop up and you can just scoop them up in the net. Rather than if you grab them with an hand or something, and then how it works, you just press them two buttons, yeah? And it lock back down that way, yeah. So what I say? So I'm going to set this in a separate box because it's longer than the box, yeah. It's that way in a longer, so a smaller box. Longer box. See? So I'm going to ship out them here tomorrow. And then what I'm going to do now, I will send you a copy of the shipping thing so you can keep track of when it get there and so forth. And then I guess it's up to whoever I send it to you for give the tracking from that. See? So as I'm saying, go and best up on yourself. A lot more things to come. Still I'm gonna find the right camouflage they make what I look for. So I'm gonna look for them things a little later on, but I'm gonna send out some things now. And as I said, so I get ship out tomorrow. Then I'll come down with my bridge and the swim gear. I'll go down with my bridge and Saturday. So you know which one you're gonna get first. But yeah, just let me know in time when I get them. See? Alright, so enough blessings to everybody and just heal up everybody for me. Sharpman, DNG, Steph, Little Dragon. Yeah. I'm looking bridge in that. See? I'm gonna talk to them later. Come on.